Hello, friends. Welcome you all to my educational platform. And our today's topic of discussion is routes of elimination of poison. So this is very easy topic. Routes of elimination. The first route is through urine. Second one is through feces. Third one is through breathing, or rather we can say exhaled air. Fourth one is saliva. Fifth one is sweat. Sixth, milk. Seventh is bile. So these are the routes of elimination. Once again, let me speak: urine, feces, breathing, saliva, sweat, milk, and bile. Thank you for watching this video. You can follow me on given links in description box. You can comment on that video, subscribe my channel, and share it amongst your friends. Thank you so much.